Hi, and welcome to a market update for July 2023 for the zip code 20147. But before we get started, please click that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of our videos. We had 74 new listings come on the market, which is down 3.9% month over month, and also down 33.3% year over year. There were 77 properties that went under contract, which is up 14.9% month over month, but down 1.3% year over year. 67 properties closed in the month of July, which is down 24.7% month over month and down 38.5% year over year. The median sold price was $686,100, which is up 1.6% month over month and up 9.8% year over year. That's good news. The average days on market is 9, and the average sold to original list price is 101%, which is fantastic, which means sellers are getting over their asking price. We are the McLoughlin Sommer team from Century 21 Redwood in Ashburn. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos.